2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, electronic stability control, bed liner, compass, fog lights, CD player, trip computer, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, speed control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.